Alright traders, Joseph Lackland here of FutureScript. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the magic cloud indicator. Right click in the black, go to indicators, look for your FSX magic cloud. There he is, click add. Double check that your magic cloud inputs are the same as your rock and your velocity. The velocity is recommended to use when viewing the magic cloud because there's some calibration that we have to do with the cloud, and the velocity is what we're going to use to calibrate the cloud. So, double check those are good. We're going to turn off the auto adjust for right now. We're going to set the opacity slightly higher. Colors are okay. Let's hit apply. The magic cloud is derived from the rock and was designed to project the price of the rock zero line onto the chart so that you may be able to use that price when you are making trading decisions. Instead of watching the ticks and watching the rock bounce about the zero line, you now have the zero line represented as a price. You also have the average power represented as a price. And these big heartbeat sort of patterns on the magic cloud are an indication that it needs to be calibrated, and we need to smooth these lines out. So how we're going to calibrate this magic cloud is we're going to look at our velocity. And we're going to look at our velocity on a bar by bar basis. Roughly, what is it? 0.02 on this bar. We're going to go back, negative 0.0245, 0.0151, 0.0168, so on and so forth. So when we go in here, go back to indicators. Go to your magic cloud. And check out the limiter setting. Now what we're going to want to use for the limiter setting in order to stabilize this line, currently it's set at 0.00233. Now if we look at our velocity values over here, 0.0168, 0.02, 0.011, whatever, we're going to want to put in a limiter setting around this value, whatever the average values are. It doesn't have to be exact, but 0.0168, shall we say. And then we're going to hit apply. And this is how we would calibrate or stabilize the magic cloud line, by adjusting the limiter value to roughly what the velocity is. The velocity setting should be, when calibrating the magic cloud, look back 1, smooth type, doesn't matter, smooth 1, wave trend 1, so that you are receiving the true velocity bar by bar. Once again, when calibrating the magic cloud, the velocity setting should be set on look back 1, smooth type, whatever, smooth of 1, and wave trend of 1. You can also use the auto adjust feature of the magic cloud. It is pretty accurate, but just in case you want more accuracy, you can always fine tune it yourself. Auto adjust, it's going to calculate the average over the 8 bars. Well, let's say we'll do 13 bars this time. And let's calibrate the cloud with the auto adjust feature. And the auto adjust feature seems to work well too. It stabilizes the line, it gets rid of the heartbeat. It's very easy to see the rock zero line projected as a price onto the chart that we can use for trading purposes. The market is usually bearish below and bullish above. Not too complicated here, guys. This is the momentum pivot. By paying attention to the momentum pivot, you can usually keep yourself swimming with the tide and generally on the right side of the market. If you guys have any questions about this indicator, or you have any suggestions or enhancements for this indicator, please do not hesitate to send our support team a message at info@futurescript.com.